Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this question, we are asked to do two things. First is to find a formula for the sum of 1 over 2 to the n. And secondly, we have to show that it's true for any n. So we are using induction. First, to find a formula, there are many ways to do it. I will just show you one of the ways. So we can use algebra. We can let the sum we want to be a term called a. Right now we multiply 2 on both sides. So we have 2a equals 1 plus 1 over 2 until 1 over 2 to the n minus 1. All right. Now, if I rearrange the left-hand side by moving 1 to the right-hand side and adding 1 over 2 to the n on both sides. So we are not doing anything complicated here. We just rearrange the left-hand side so that it becomes the same as the term we start with. So we have this term on the right that we tinker with equal to a that we start with, and this will give us the formula of the sum, right? Because now this second equation tells us that a is in fact 1 minus 1 over 2 to the n. And this is the formula we are looking for. So using naming the sum with some variable like this is one of the way you can use to find the formula. Next, we are going to so let p of n be a statement that this sum equal to this formula for n positive integer. We are going to use induction to prove that it's true for any n. So basic step p of 1 say that a half is equal to, in the formula, 1 minus a half, which is obviously true. So basic step is clear. Next, suppose that it is true for, the formula is true for some n. We want to show that it's true for n plus 1 as well. And it's very simple in this case because the formula is just 1 minus 1 over 2 to the n. So we start with p of n and we add the last term we want on both sides. So left hand side is the sum up to, like in the case of n plus 1. And on the right hand side, these two terms combine give us minus 1 over 2 to the n plus 1. Right? Is straightforward. And so this is in fact the statement when n, like the statement at n plus 1. We have shown that it is true, so inductive step is clear as well. And we have shown both steps, so this is true for any n, positive integer n. And that is it. Thank you.